Done it, Mark. Here she comes. She's gonna run away again. She'll come back. What? You can't whoop on me. I'm not a spook. Go get
You're afraid of the kitty cat?
Go get him. Get him.
You afraid of the kitty cat?
Get Spook. Get him. Oh. Oh, he's got an evil look on his face. Leave me alone and let me sleep. Come on. Come on.